US share markets eased over the past 24 hours and it does look like they will end the day lower, ending a 6-day upward streak for US share markets. Speculation is mounting in the marketplace that BP is looking to divest an investment out of Canada. They are looking to sell down this investment for around $2 billion US, and this is likely to be an attempt to try and liquidate some cash following the oil spill earlier on in 2010. The NZX 50 was up on Wednesday after Fletcher Building announced a takeover offer for Crane Group out of Australia. The offer is for 740 million Australian dollars. European shares also eased over the past 24 hours as speculation is mounting that further debt woes will continue for the European Union. Moody's announced overnight that they are reviewing Spain's sovereign debt outlook with a potential downgrade on the cards. While the debt woes will continue for some time, there are a few bright spots emerging for Europe. Retail sales is one of these bright spots. For those of you that have travelled to Europe, well, you would have likely have seen H&M, one of the iconic Swedish retail clothing brands. Overnight, they did announce that store sales through November did increase by 17%, and same store sales over the same period have increased by 8%. This is some pretty good news for the European Union. Despite this, the negativity in markets has seen the New Zealand dollar drop overnight. On Thursday morning, we are trading at 74.80 against the US dollar. Fonterra's latest global dairy trade auction did see further stability for Oceania dairy commodity prices. On a trade-weighted basis, prices increased by 2.4%. Buttermilk powder was the only product that did see a marginal fall, but skim and whole milk powder did see pretty good increases, up to around 2.5%. Stability in dairy commodity prices is good news for payout, and this was reflected by the decision to increase the milk price to $6.90 by Fonterra last Friday. If we do continue to see prices at these levels, there is no reason why we won't see further increases down the track. We are positive about the outlook for dairy, and we are predicting that we could see further increases for the current season. Production is finally balanced at the current time, with Northern Hemisphere production starting to decrease, and production out of this part of the world also looking pretty uneasy. Dry conditions is starting to impact on supply, but increases in prices should offset some of this for those farmers that have been affected.